The logo of a mathematics group called 963 is given below. It is made up of a regular pentagon with a circle inscribed in it. The circle's radius is 9 cm. Find the length of one side of the pentagon. Now this regular pentagon will have equal interior angles. So all these interior angles will be the same. Alright? And the great thing is we know that if the center is here and if we draw a line like this, we can form a 90 degrees. Why? Because this line here is a tangent to the circle. Tangent and radiuses, they are always at 90 degrees, and we can indeed form for ourselves a nice right angle triangle. Okay, whereby again this angle we can find it, divide it by 2, we get the angle inside here. So each interior angle, now this will be equals to n minus 2 times 180 degrees, whole thing divided by n. That is for a regular polygon. So we got 5 sides, 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees over 5. 3 times 180 degrees over 5. That will give us 108 degrees. Okay, so the entire portion here will be 108 degrees. Over here same thing, 108 degrees. Over here same thing, 108 degrees, 108 degrees here as well. So for this right angle triangle, for this part, it will be half of it. Okay, why? Because as you draw all these different triangles, you will realize that these are all symmetrical. Okay, they are all the same. So basically, if I draw one more here as well, this angle will be shared. Okay, it will be a shared angle. So 108 divided by 2, 54 degrees, which is the angle inside here in pink. 54 degrees, and you are given the circle's radius, right? So from center to the edge here, 9 cm. Okay, so what is the length of one side of the pentagon? Meaning, what is the length of this entire portion? This is a question mark. So to do that, we can find this value here first, which is x. And then we take that multiplied by 2. Why? Again, because if you draw another triangle, you will get the same x here, exactly the same. Alright, so x, find that, and then times by 2, you will get the question mark. So how to find x? Opposite upon adjacent. Okay, again, you got a right angle triangle, you can use tua kaso, opposite over adjacent. So that is using tua, right? Let me write it down on the side here, tua, which means tan, okay, tan of the angle, 54 degrees is equals to opposite, which is 9 over adjacent, which is x. So x is 9 divided by, put fraction, okay, 9 over tan 54 degrees. Divide by tangent 54, that will give us an answer of 6.5388. This will be in cm, okay, because radius is in cm, right? So the length of one side of the regular pentagon, this will be equals to 6.5388 times by 2. Okay, because that's just x, you need to times by 2 to get the whole thing. 6.5388 times by 2. 6.5388 times by 2. That will give you 13.5 0.776, round off 3 SF, 13.1 centimeter. This is rounded off again to 3 significant figures. Final answer 13.1 cm.